And so the last one, principle number 7, we must act in the best interest of our client. I think this is one of the most applicable principles.
But it's complicated as well, I think, because what's in their best interest may be, different in terms of what we think is in their best interest and in terms of what they actually want. We need to take into account their particular wishes when we determine what's in their best interest. If they tell me, for example, that they want a particular thing and I think maybe that's not in their best interest, although I would make that very clear to them, at the end of the day, as long as we're compliant with all of the other principles, I am going to try and achieve a particular result for them based on their instructions.
Yeah, what they specifically want. In the sense of the SQE exam, I think it's very relevant to the SQE too, where you have to actually frame all your answers, taking into account some particular objectives of your client. For example, adding a little bit to that, giving something in your client's favor as an advice, so that would be something you will comply with this principle to act in the best interest of your client.